What's up? Welcome back to, I guess, today's stream. It's technically the end of my day. Give me a second. I'm trying to figure out something right quick. Give me a moment. I've somehow managed to turn off my, gosh, what is it? I have a screen and I'm trying to figure out how to turn it back on. It's really challenging for me right now for some reason. Okay, guess I'm gonna do the old plug it in, unplug it action, see if that does anything. Whatever the setup is. All right, well then, looks like I'm gonna have to give up on that idea. Let's pull the stream up on my phone instead. All right, cool. So I don't know what's going on with my screen share stuff right now, but I give up. I give up. So let's just hop right into my screen share. Let's make sure that that's working. It appears to be working just fine. I was working on, don't let this fool you. I kind of float in and out of different things throughout the day, but I was working on this import email thing right here. So this was the doc. I was saying that I needed to merge. Let's create another window. Let's log back in. I'm not actually about to do any documentation right now. I'm just showing what it is that I've done since I left earlier in the day. So I've managed to publish some docs, and I probably should alert people of that. So I guess I'm not done with work. So we'll just say I'll just heads up. I put this in the documentation team. All right, so one of the docs is whatever this says. All right, cool. All right, so let's go to the doc that I was working on earlier, which is, I think I renamed it. That's another thing that's happened. Yeah, it's now called import email list as CSV. And technically this won't be the name of the document. It's going under this import email addresses, but I've kind of gotten it kind of ready to place in the context of all of the other options that our users have of importing their emails. So I can't really show a history for reasons, but I made this different. This is now requirements, and there's now a header and a value section, and the requirements have been made much more clear. So what must be included, what's optional, that kind of thing. And I also restructured my assumptions. I think that's where I left off earlier. I was just doing my assumptions. I did kind of, what do you call this word? Man, I forget what you call the word where you kind of like write out an outline. Maybe that's it. Maybe that's the word. So here's the outline of the steps that need to be done. And I use this to figure out what screenshots, what GIFs, what stuff I need to go and capture. And then I renamed this section. This was called importing from ESP or whatever. Now it's called migrate ESP. And this is now H1, and these different ESPs are now H2s or header 2s. So within that, I think I showed that I was doing this earlier today, putting this in tables. So it's still in tables. Why is this subscribed? This is wrong. This is user data. Okay. So these have been rejiggered, and it'll make more sense when I look at when I show the other ones. But now it's rename header column address to email. Before it was like rename the whatever column, whatever the name is, and then it was much more longer. This is shorter. And then this is renamed to processing vars, because that's really what this entire section is about, which is going into a cell in an Excel sheet or Google sheet and using the JavaScript APIs that's available in both of them to, to parse a JSON string, and then to output only the keys and then only the values, and then outputting in such a way where it generates new columns. So that's what this is doing here. That's what the code snippet does. And I haven't figured out why it looks weird when you render it, but whatever. What else has changed? So I did these tables, and I did say that I wanted these to be a little bit different. I just put NAs for the things, and then reorganize the steps. So where it's like remove header columns categorized as NA. Before it was like a long list of all of these. Now it's just like, nah, just remove all of the NAs. And then I made the optional things much more optional. So it's like you either rename the thing or you delete. And then these images here, this is what the finished process table would look like after you've done the things, I think. Yeah, Mailgun, yeah. Same thing for SendGrid. And I think, I was about to say, I'm like, I think I finished up Mailgun too. So Mailgun is here now, along with all of the, whatever these things are, columns, as well as links to other important things. And this links to other areas in the doc. Obviously you can't tell that right now. So let's make it to where you can. Oh, yo, what's up, Casual Times? My bad. So did your bot name the stream? No, it did not. The bot will never be able to name a stream, other than like it can automatically put a date, but that's about it. Right. So maybe if I get to a point where I have buttons on my stream deck, I can do something like Devlog, and then it starts a Devlog stream. Of course, that requires a lot of back end work. That's not just code. That's getting my tool set up. And these are things that you all don't see, but maybe in the future I can start talking a little bit more about how I produce some of these. There's not much to it, but there is stuff to it, like creating my different profiles, creating scenes within those profiles, adding different types of overlays to the to each scene, and setting up the cameras and all that kind of stuff for each scene. And I also have sound effects, which I have yet to use. I should use them someday. I don't know. It's because I can't see. I know this one though. Bruh. I know that one. I got that. All right. Anyway, so let's see. Where was I? So we have these requirements, and I was saying that I have it now, so you can link back to that or something like that. Yeah. So refer to the titles import or whatever, and it takes you there. So that's a new thing. This right here is a new thing, like referring to the doc, because I had to make it public. That's why I published it, just FYI. And that takes you here. For whatever reason, even though this has the proper, whatever the thing is, hashtag, it's not actually working. It's not taking me to Mailgun. Note that this says Mailgun here. Now watch what happens when I click that, and you notice how that still says Mailgun here. Yeah, I don't know. It's not my problem though. This is a tool problem, so it's out of my hands. So yeah, that's what's been done so far. And wait, Yeah, here we are. I was going over some of the things that I need to bring over and some of the things that I don't. So a lot of what's here, I've already covered over here. So this goes over the different methods of importing. So that's what the H1 of this is going to be eventually. It's going to be the import, and then it'll be method, and then you can have like CSV, the SDK, using our mobile SDK. You need to do a better job of, oh my gosh, okay. But yeah, that's what I've done. I'm not actually about to do any work, so let's move on in life. For what it's worth, this is going to be a relatively quick stream. I have, wait a minute. Give me a second. I gotta. Saturday. Oh man, at 9:40, like, this is the maze. Oh my gosh. Sure. I gotta wake up early on a Saturday. All right, so wait, is there anything else I need? Oh no, we're good. Yeah, I was just, I'm sorry. I was thinking about what else I needed to do because I was like, this is almost done. And I'm thinking about, do I want to do it now so I don't have to worry about it tomorrow? Or do I just like wait and spend an hour tomorrow to do it? I think I'm gonna spend an hour tomorrow to do it. Anyway, like I was saying, I have a dinner like this evening. So I will likely be done at around 7 today. But yeah, anyway, so let's go ahead and close work stuff. We're done with that. We'll close that for good, and this as well. Close that too. Let's go to my stuff, which I think is this, yeah, code and color, and YT Slackbot. Let's see what I had going on. I don't remember. Add Slack OAuth support. Okay. Sure. I don't remember where I left off, and that's because I haven't been taking my Devlog notes since I started this. Primarily because I'm doing this. But maybe I should start just putting it in here, like literally in the PR. That way I don't lose context. That's what I used to do. I've just been very lazy lately. All right, so we're on the right branch. Visual Studio Code is doing Visual Studio Code things. And let's get it started. Nope, that's not how we get it started. Okay. So I was obviously working on something to do with calling this callback. And I'm going to assume that I actually got that callback over here. Right in here. All right, it looks like I even did authentication, but let's see. Const auth request. If there's no auth, return void console error. So just don't do anything. It's basically what this is. Let's make this info. This isn't an error. All right, cool. That's why I was able to, that's why this went past last time. Because if you don't put off, that's actually not great. So let's maybe not do this. put in my little, that right there. So in the future, what I actually want to do for anything that requires authentication is to throw an error or return an error or something like that. Basically, this can't happen. But for now, I don't care. We're going to move forward as if that doesn't matter. Let's delete some of these other things that I no longer need. Oops, shit, wrong way. So we got Slack, the page, and what is this? That's not the thing that I want to deal with right now, though. Let's see, what is it called? Slack something. That thing. Okay, so we're going to first pretend to do authentication, and then we're going to get the data. Hopefully there is data. And then, oh, wait, what? If there's no profile, wait, what? Oh, okay. Let's just ignore this. You know what? Let's just ignore all authentication. Screw it. All right, get rid of all that. And for this response, honestly, there doesn't need to be a response. Not this kind of response. It would be technically like a redirect or something like that. So let's do that. We'll say .redirect. And then we give it the URL. Now here's the thing. I could pass the URL as a parameter, and maybe I'll do that. So we'll say const and then whatever, and then equals request.search or something like that. Params, no, URL. All right, so we'll make a new URL object. And then, wait, what? Why can't I do that? Okay, fine. So I'm gonna create this new URL, and then I wanna get the search params. Yes. And then from within the search params, I want to get the parameter. It doesn't exist yet. It doesn't exist yet, but it will eventually one day. What I want to name it, that's the thing. I'm gonna call it redirect to. And I don't know if this is how it's typically done, but it's how I'm going to do it. So we're going to call this const redirect. All right, and this could be null. So we'll say either go there or just go to this other thing that we're going to make up in a second. All right, so we're going to get our redirect. We're going to grab some data. I think that should go there. Okay, and then we're going to redirect to, I need to do something with this data at some point, I think. So for now, the something that I'm going to do is just log it. We'll log out the data. All right, and if we don't know what to redirect to, we'll just redirect to the profile. I think that's as good a place as any. Oh wait, no, there won't. Wait, yeah, okay, yeah. Or no. Huh. Okay, I think you'll have to have an account first. That's how this is gonna have to work. All right, yeah. That's how you're gonna have to. The person will have to create an account first, because if they don't have an account, this won't work. Anyway, let's move forward. Let's just go. So let's try to test this out. How do we even test this out? What am I even doing? What is this thing called? Shit, what's this link? Is oh, it's literally right there in front of me. Localhost 3000. All right, now let's log into Slack. And if this works, it should redirect me to back to the profile. Oh shit, no. Okay. Oh wait. Okay, this is my bad. I had to use ngrok because, or do I? I can use Caddy. I should be able to use Caddy to forward traffic to HTTPS. I may try that I may try that in a second, but I'll just go fix this the way that it's easy to go fix. So let's first make this full screen, and then I want to half it, and I want to go to the same URL that I'm at, which is code and color Slackbot. The reason why is because I can just click here now and go and change that. Now, before I change it, I have to first pop into here. You know what? I'm going to do this outside of iTerm. Not iTerm, my gosh. I'm going to do this outside of Visual Studio. So what do I want to do here? I want to go into code, and then this directory, and this directory, and then we'll do yarn dev tunnel. All right. Oh, update available. Okay, so then control, yeah, sure, I'll update. All right, restart. So cool. Let's do that. Pay as you go pricing. Oh, okay, sure. That's actually, wow. Oh, this is actually more dope than how much is it though? Why pay as you go? Per active endpoint. Wait, what? That's not. I thought it was like a per minute type of thing. Never mind. All right, whatever. So let's take this URL here, and I need to dump it over into here. There we go. And this redirect URL right there. So I'll just replace that section and then put all Slack and save. Yeah, in the future, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just get Caddy set up, so I can show how to do that in a bit. Let me make sure I have the latest version of Caddy before so we'll say brew update Caddy. Wait, what? Oh, is it upgrade? Okay. No, I have a script that can that's already on my machine that can do this. So that's in code and color post apply. Wait, where's post apply? What? So post apply, and then I think it was the API. Oh, my bad. Oh shit. So we'll do API and then package JSON. We'll put that on into Gron, I guess, and then we can look for scripts. All right, and then here we are, right there. Wait, no, not that. The proxy, yes, here we are. So I can do this. And I want to just copy this and, well, dang, I shouldn't have did it this way. I should have. Can I pass this back to what's the name of this thing? The Gron? Can I pass it back to Gron? No. whatever. I'll just manually do it. It doesn't matter that much. So we'll go to package JSON here, and then we'll just create it. This is what I was, this is why I was like, do I want to type this out myself? And the answer was no, but here we are. Doesn't matter. So we're going to bind this to port 3000 this time. And I'm going to stop that. And then what I'll instead do is do yarn dev proxy, or not. What did I name it? Oh, I didn't save it. Haha. Joke's on me. All right, yes, yes, of course, allow. All right, so now I'm just going to proxy the traffic without ngrok. So we'll come back here and just make that local host. Local, oops, I don't want to delete all of that. I want to just come here and do local host. And yeah, /auth/slack. So we'll save that URL. Now I need to go to my thingamajig here, and I gotta pull this off the screen. I don't want to show this. All right, so I gotta change my Slack redirect URL to be HTTPS port 3000 auth Slack. All right, close that. Now let's see if any of this works. So we'll do HTTPS localhost, no 3000 this time. And look at that, it works. And now we can do profile, like so. All right, cool. So that's working, and it's over HTTPS. So it's being proxied the way that we expect. So look at that. I don't know, I did like a tweet in the past where I didn't really explain how to do it, but there you go. I just explained it. But yeah, you can reverse proxy stuff on your network. Reverse proxies are awesome. You know, if you're into Nginx, you know that it does regular proxying and reverse proxying. Well, you can do it on your machine as well. All right, so now that I have that, we're going to, what's the word? We're gonna do that thing. We're gonna log into Slack this time. And it should take me back to the profile. And what I will do in the future is that this redirect to will just be whatever the page that it happens to be on, which I guess is always profile. I don't know. Maybe this was unnecessary, probably. All right, so, okay. Interesting. Something failed. Invalid URL. Dang it. Okay. So, damn it. Oops. I wonder if I can include that in the state variable. Let's go back to this page. All right, see here, I'm including the state, whatever. I don't know what the hell the state is. Like, I'm gonna just be real. I don't know what that is. So I'm gonna just say redirect state, and then we'll just say redirect to. Redirect to. And then this will be a URL. And it should be where we currently are. And I assume that I have to use the router to do that, to know where I am. So we'll say router. And we'll use that router. And we'll use that router over here too. And as path, I don't know. What the hell is as path? And this is the kind of path I want to follow. Oh wait, okay, I'm looking at the wrong place. I'm not going to see. Wait, is a router? Oh, it's the next router, no wonder. Okay, so let's look up next router. See what types we can find one day. Okay, there we are. I have completely forgotten the name of the thing that I'm looking for. Router dot what? Oh, as path. That's what it was. As path. All right. So, The the ass path of the prefetch page. Okay. Param URL, the href pre. Okay. It's probably not that. Maybe it's the route. I don't know. Or you know what? Screw it. We'll use the navigator. We'll just use that. So we'll say navigator dot current path or something like that. I don't know what it's called, so we're gonna come over here and look for it. So navigator gator. That's not what I wanted. Navigator. Why? Okay, there we go. Cool. So we get these things. Which one of these are the things that I want? Any of that looks like localhost. Or is it window dot something? Window dot. I thought it was window dot navigator. Yeah, that has to be it. Yeah, that is it. Am I gonna have the result to go into Google of all places? Yeah, it looks like I'm gonna have to end up going to Google / ChatGPT. I'm not going to Google. All right. Which DOM API will give me the current page I'm on? Let's say the current, not correct, current page I'm on, aka the URL. That's all I need. Wait, location? I don't see that. What the hell? Oh, wait. Did that say Oh, it's not navigation. It's freaking location. My gosh. Okay, fine. Is there a used location? No. Okay, well, screw it. So then we'll do location dot href. There we go. All right, look at that. Now we have whatever that is to redirect to, and then we'll organize these here. Go here, and ooh, I included it in. All right, obviously I don't know what I'm doing. So let's make this a query param instead. So we'll say redirect to. Man, that's like a terrible name, I think, but maybe it's not. Maybe it's great. All right, so we're gonna redirect to location dot href. Here's the reason why I'm doing it this way and not just hard coding it, because I don't know what the URL is. That's why. So instead of doing all that other business, I'll just pass it directly. That seems like the easiest thing to do. But maybe it's not. I don't know. All right, cool. So let's try this again. We'll go back. Do this login yet again. Did we get back? Did I not save it? Or did it just not work? All right, I don't know. So because I don't know, maybe I'm going to debug. How about that? Throw a breakpoint right here and redirect to. I hope I just copied and pasted that and didn't try to type it out again like an idiot. No, I mean I did. Okay, so now, yeah, we'll do the thing again. Yet again. Okay. How's this response getting back so quickly though? That's the thing that's concerning to me. Oh wait. Oh wait. Okay, never mind. It's not that concerning yet because it hasn't sent the redirect. Yeah. This comes from the URL. So I'm just okay. I see what's happening. So this should probably be like a loading or something, doing something. So we're gonna get data. Okay, that was weird. What the hell? All right, so we're gonna get the data. Do we get a redirect? Yes, look at that. We get a redirect. Ah, that's the problem. I see the problem. Damn it. I think there should be a refer, hopefully. Maybe that's what I want. Is there like a location dot refer? Referrer. All right, let's see how to get that. How do I get the referrer of the now? Oh, what's up, Kyle? How you doing? I was thinking about you today. I was like, I haven't seen or heard from Kyle in like, it seems like for a while, too long. All right, so it's gonna be document referrer. Watch that still not be the right thing too. So we're gonna log in Slack. All right, get that right. Yeah, it's not the right thing. Oh wait, yeah, it's definitely not the right thing. Yeah. So I got to figure out some way to pass that in the state object itself. How do I do that? I have no idea. Not right now, at least. Because, oops. Wait, what did I just do? Oh yeah. Wait, no, this isn't the right thing. Where's this? Where do I make that thing at? So here's the link. Yeah, so because I don't know how to include the state in here, and it's probably because I didn't read the docs, you know, obviously. I gained an extra 3 pounds this holiday. Yeah, so I need to lose weight. I'm fat now. And seems like tonight's not gonna be the night. I'm going out to dinner somewhere. All right. Now it's time to go look at some docs. My favorite. Okay, where's the doc at for this? Whatever this is. All right, this is the part that I need to do right here. So I need to make a request to whatever this is. So that's what's actually going to happen in this route, where I have this console log. That's actually what's going to happen. So I will just put this in here as the URL to post to. That. And according to here, I need to pass in the code, and then the client ID, and then the client secret. Is -F, does that mean post? I don't know. All right, I'm just going to assume that is. No, I'm not going to assume it. I'll go look. I really don't use curl as often. I either use a REST client or HTTP if you want to call it what you call it in the terminal. All right, so let's look for -F as a thingamajig. And it would be awesome if I can just be like, no, just give me only things that match -F directly. And -F, because I think capitalization matters here. Let's just scroll down. You know what? Screw it. We're gonna ask ChatGPT. Oh, it's form. Okay. So it's posting. So, all right, fine. All right, so, ooh. here, we'll do a fetch name jig. We're gonna go to that, post to that URL, and the method should be something else that's not good. All right, and then because this is what do you call it, form encoded, I think I had to include that somehow. Let's see, type or accept, or what do you call that? Oh, it's under headers. It's that. And then there should be one of the headers that we care about. Does it give me an option? No, it doesn't. I don't know the freaking header. It's the header that's going to allow me to do that. Because I don't know, I'm going to look at another, I'm gonna just make up another request right quick. And then what I can come here and do now is come to headers, and then we can say content type, and this should give me back some kind of help, maybe. Yes. Application, is it just something to do with form? Wait, is it multi-part? Seriously? Or is it, all right, I guess it is multi-part. All right, we'll go with that. All right, and then we can go into the body here. Then go into this multi-part maybe. All right, first name or first part is code, go away. Second part is client ID, and go away. And then client secret, which I don't even know my client secret right now. So the code, I don't know what that is yet, but here's why I did all of that. No, let's turn this off of HTTP because we don't care about that right now. And we'll look at the curl of it. And that should be the exact same thing that we have here. And as a result of having it here, and because this tool is awesome, I can be like, nah, give me the fetch. All right, there we are. So this is what I need to put into my fetch. And apparently I could do get. Oh wait, no, that's a lie. That's me being dumb. So here we go. So this is what I need to paste essentially. So it's just body. I didn't realize it would be just body. So let's do that. So instead of headers, no, I actually do need that. I'm tripping. I need that. It's content type. And oops, I've already forgotten what this is. I'm not typing that. All right, and let's throw the body up in here. And we'll stringify it so I can just dump an object. And what I'm going to stringify is code, and then gosh, what's the other thing? Well, it's going to come from the body, so let's do const bot, or wait, code. Yeah, code, that'll be a string, I think, and that'll be equal to data and then code. And we want to do the same thing for the what do you call it, the state, I think. I'll be right back. Yeah, I'm gonna throw state in there too, even though it's not being used. So we'll dump state in there. All right, cool. So, that's not that cool. I actually don't want to do this request. Let's comment this out for now. All right, the reason why I don't want to actually do this stuff right now is because I'm not ready for that. Like I don't want the code yet, because I don't know what I need to do after that. All I know is that I don't like that just redirect. Man. I kind of wish that was in state. That's what I want to be in state, is to take me to the next place. But I don't know how to access state with their thing. We'll close this. I think we're done with it for now. You know what? Screw it. We're just going to do this. I will figure out this redirect stuff another day. It's not that important to me right now. So for now, I'm going to send a JSON response. And a body is going to be whatever the res body is, actually. So we'll say results from Slack. Slack res. How about that? Slack res is res dot. I think it's JSON in this case. So we'll need to await that. All right. So let's see if we're at least able to, I guess, do this part. So we're logging data. In actuality, I don't care about data anymore. I only care about this response object. So we'll do this. And it's only fair that I remove this and put it up here. So we'll say const data is equal to that. And then we'll just log out data. Request JSON. All right, I'm gonna just rename this body or D. How about that? Give it to D. All right, yeah, we got D action. And then down here, we got data action. And then we're just gonna return the D. Yeah, that seems, wait, no, maybe? No, yes. Maybe. Yes. Okay. I'm good. I don't want to return the D over here. I want to return the data. That's what we want. The big D. All right. Let's go ahead and get this underway. We're no longer using these search params. We're going to go ahead and delete it. Go away. All right. So we'll refresh this. Let's clear all of this crap. And make it a little bit smaller. Yeah, never mind. We'll log in to Slack, do the thing. Okay, all right. We're gonna do some more things. We're gonna fetch. Okay, oh wow, that worked. Oh, okay, invalid form data. Okay, well, I mean, it worked, but I mean, it didn't. But that's fine. Invalid form data. Interesting. Which one did I forget? Were there three? Oh, the client secret. The client secret. That's what I need. Shit. I don't have a client secret yet. Let me figure out how to get a client secret. Let me first see if I am lying. No, I definitely don't have a client secret. Okay, so let's create a Slack client secret. And that's going to be equal to something. All right. I'm going to save that and close it for now. And let's figure out how to get this client secret that I supposedly need now. We'll close that. Close that too. Close that too. All right. How do I get a client secret? Oh, look at that. Okay, I had to show it to copy it. That's fun. Let's show, and then I'll copy, and then wow, I can't unshow it. That's silly. All right, there we are. Cool. And now I get to go to here and move this off screen again. local, dump that there. Client secret Slack. Client secret, let's spell that correctly. Client secret, yeah, that looks about right. Okay, cool. So here we're gonna do, shit, I forgot what it's called. And I closed the I don't know what it's called. I forgot what it's called. My REST client, and I closed the dock. So I legit don't know how. Like, damn it, man. Let's see if Rapid API had my back. They did. Look at that. It's client secret. Okay. So I can't send code and client ID the way that I have. And state doesn't even matter. I need client ID like that. So that means we're gonna have to spell it weirdly. So we'll do client ID, and that's gonna be process env Slack client ID. And then there's also gonna be the client secret. And maybe this does need to be that, right? You can do that. Yeah, okay, yeah. These don't need to be whatever that is, quoted. Yeah, that's valid JavaScript. Okay, so then I'm just gonna copy basically all of this. Dump it here. And we'll say Slack client secret. Like that. We don't even care about the state anymore right now, I guess. And that's why I'm saying that I think the state should be where to go to. But again, I have no idea how to pass that initial state. All right, let's go ahead and comment that out since I'm not using it. This is silly. We're not going to do that. Say code. And yes, I do have to restart the server whenever I add environment variables. All right, let's try this now. So effectively, the change that I thought I did resulted in effectively no change. And I never put my breakpoint in the right place. All right, do we get back? No, okay, no, okay, fine. Okay. The only other option is that I didn't spell these things right. So let me go and look. Slack client secret. I think I spelled that right, but I'm gonna copy and paste it just in case. As well as this client ID. All right, so then I just refresh, like I didn't restart the server, but I just refreshed the app because I just renamed this. Oh wait, shit, that's wrong. Client ID. All right. Maybe. All right, it's loading something. So I'm not gonna, here, I'm gonna move this off screen right quick to make sure there's a secret in here. Yeah, there's definitely a secret. There's definitely an ID in here. And I'm pretty sure that this is the same. Yep, invalid form object. Okay. So I don't know. I don't know. I really don't know what's going on. Cancel, let's just quit. I'm not gonna lie, I don't understand why that didn't work. Huh? No, I don't want to do that. What just happened? Wait, wait. I even sent it as client secret, like in lowercase with this underscore. Did I or didn't I? Yeah, I did. Yeah, I did all of that. Maybe I didn't spell it right. I'm gonna copy and paste it from here. I'm pretty sure I did, but you know, you never know. And then obviously I spelled code right. Oh, wait a minute. Client. Are these different or are these the same? I don't know. I'm feeling dumb right now. Like, they look the same, but maybe they're different. Let's go back and try this again. Okay, still invalid form data. Wait, if you initiate and install the v2 authorized URL, it must be completed with OAuth v2 access. What am I using? All right, let's go to my Slack thingamajig function here. Where I'm going, Slack auth URL. Wait, where is the Slack? Oh, here we are. I'm using v2 authorized. v2 authorized, so I need to use OAuth.v2 access. Okay, is that what I'm using? OAuth.v2. Okay, I'm definitely using that. I don't know what's going on. Unless it's not a post. Know what I'm gonna try? I'm gonna run this in my client here. I'm not gonna set it up like in front of y'all because it's gonna have some secrets in there, but I'll be able to report back on if it worked or not. It's to over here. All right, so let's go and copy the things that need to be copied. So this is where I'm going to. I'm gonna make this a post. And then, oops, all right, so I can't show this either. So I've got to move that off the screen. Get these secrets. All right, get the client ID. The code, I'm gonna have to get off the screen here actually. But you can see that right now. So the client secret, dump that over here. Okay. Okay, cool. And because these codes expired in 10 minutes, I should be able to use this current code over here. Let's see if I get back the same result. Okay, I do get a 200 and I get back invalid form data, same thing. So let's try get, which I wouldn't expect that to work, but it's taking longer. So either it's gonna work or I've just broken their server. Oh man, oh shit. Yeah, it's just hanging. I really hope, man. Okay. Oh, okay, wait, maybe it didn't. Maybe it's not gonna do it. Let's change the post. Okay, it didn't actually do it. I have just gotten it to work. And I know why. Oh my gosh. Okay. It's just I don't know how to deal with it. That's the issue. Is because this is a multi-part form. At least I think that's the what is it? Let me confirm before I make up this lie. Headers. Yeah, multi-part form, and then I have a boundary with my nonce. So I need to somehow split. Oops. Oh, dang it. I need to figure out a way to split these, or maybe I can just make a maybe they have another way I can do it. And post. Oh, look, I can give it, okay, look, I can give it whatever this is, form encoded right here. So I'll do that instead. So then we will, wait, where's that? So instead of that, we'll do this right here. So it doesn't have to be multi-part, which is, in my opinion, that's better, I think. So because it's going to be, what's the word? Yeah, how do I explain it? I'm not going to do this. I'm not going to do this JSON string file. That's what I'm trying to get at. This is instead going to be a string literal like that. And we're going to get rid of code like this. And we're going to instead do code equals. And there might be a function if y'all know this stuff. If you're like a JavaScript person and you know this stuff, let me know. Because I actually don't know if there's a function that already exists that does this. Then we'll dump in client ID. And that's going to be equal to, oops. That's going to be equal to process m/ID. And this last one is going to be, wait, what's going on? Oh my gosh, wait, that's weird. I don't understand what's going on with that. Anyway, so let's fix this first. So we're going to say this is equal to that. And then we'll close this. All right, why did it add this weird spacing? All right, cool. So this is now URL encoded. Invalid code. Okay. Invalid code. Okay. What is the code? Is it? This is definitely the code here. Oh, did that work? Whoa. Wait, what? It did say invalid. It did. It literally did say invalid code. What just happened? Why did that? I don't understand. Oh, well, I'm looking at the previous request thinking that I was looking at, maybe that was it. All right, anyway, so it seems to be working. We get the access token and then all of this stuff. Yeah. So this is their access token. I don't know if I care about theirs. I think one of these should be the bot. It must be this. Yeah, right here, bot user ID. So this must be the bot. And that's the token that I, as the owner, will need to install. So that, yeah, and that's going to necessitate a change to my schema, which I haven't thought anything about. So at the moment, I just have this profiles table, but I may have to have an organization stable that, you know, because I mean, yeah, this is more of I need to understand how Slack works. Do all users install their own version of this application, or do I install it for an organization? And then those users are technically not users in my, like, I don't know, this open question. But no, I don't think I'm gonna get much. Like, what is this? Oh wait, I thought I got rid of that. I don't want that anymore. Get rid of that. Or can I just get rid of all these changes? Is there anything here that I do want? No, there is not. Get rid of all of that. And this right here is, I don't know, finish requests. Let's call it finish OAuth flow. Okay, so the build is going to break because there are now environment variables that are missing. Actually, it won't break, and that's actually kind of a problem. It's that I can do this stuff and not actually have the environment variables defined, and it'll still work. All right, so I got the thing. I need to save it somewhere. I am going to hope that the bot user is the same every time. So for now, I'm just going to take this access token and see what I can do with it. Or actually, is there a way? What can I do once I have this access token? That's worth figuring out. So I can revoke all the tokens. Okay. Okay, that's fine. So yeah, I'll do that later. Allow IP ranges. I'll deal with that another day. I see. Okay, so if I want to get profile info, which I don't think I do, so I'm going to go ahead and remove that from the scopes, and then I have a scopes thing somewhere in this project, so we'll just look for scopes. And I have both a bot and a user scopes. What I'm gonna do is just remove user scopes. Don't want them anymore. And that makes this easier to deal with. Look at that. So we'll delete up to there. So now we get our scopes, and then we're only gonna deal with whatever that is. So let's see what this new looks like. Oh, and another thing is I need to do a redirect after things are okay. So look at this, we get the fetch, we do this res thing. We're gonna say if the response is not okay. Okay, so I definitely want to return a response of okay. Which I guess this is a response of okay. So we'll just return back nothing. All right, and then so if there's a status, I don't understand. Oh, okay, if it's not equal to this, okay, I got it. Then we'll do that, and then we'll redirect. So let's see if this is actually gonna do the thing this time. It doesn't seem to be doing it. And maybe that requires turning this off. Let's just turn that off. We don't want to deal with that again. What I can do now is just look at it. It'll get printed out here if things go well. All right, the replace is working. So it's removing it from my history, which is good. Okay. Interesting. I don't know if y'all notice what's happening, but it's running twice. And I don't understand how or why. I'm gonna remove these two right here. This shouldn't have an impact, but I mean, at this point, I really don't know. And I want to say that, what? Yeah, I want to say that I should be able to do that all in here too. Oh no. Okay, wait, did that not work? Oh wait, no, I'm tripping. I am tripping. Yeah, I'm getting back invalid code. All right, I don't understand. I really don't understand. How am I getting this and then immediately after getting this? Oh, you know what it is? I know what this is. Man, this might be a reason for me to go ahead and just move off of next right now. This is the dual render thing. It's rendering twice. It seems to me to be the case that the first render, you know what, instead of guessing, let's look. And let's go to this page. What is this page? This is auth something. Slack page. This. Okay, so let's throw a breakpoint inside of this use effect here. And maybe, you know what, maybe use effect is not the right way of doing this. maybe I should be using some other data fetching thing. So I'm gonna switch, but before I switch, I want to confirm that this is indeed doing what I think it might be doing. All right, so we have first render. Let's see what code is. Code state, okay. All right, so the redirect doesn't work. All right, maybe I do need to use the navigator then for that. So let's go back to the page and then we'll say navigator or router. I'm sorry, router equals use router. And instead of this, we'll say router.redirect or router.replace rather. We'll do a profile. Next router was not mounted. Okay. A component used use router outside of Next.js application was rendered outside of Next. Wait, what? This can happen when you're doing unit testing or a component that use router hook as they are not configured with Next.js. It's just one of these because I'm in like this weird app directory BS crap. Oh my gosh. This can happen when you try to use router hook from next router inside the app directory as the app routers use router from next navigation. All right, what am I using? Oh, I'm using next router. Oh my gosh, that is okay. Next navigation, I guess is what I want. Why are they named the same thing? Why isn't this called use navigation? Anyway, let's try. This is weird. Okay, so that worked. My gosh. Slap. 2 slaps in the face to whoever decided that was a good idea. I need some slap sound effects. Do I have any slap sound effects? Let's see. Nah, I don't have any slaps. Well, we'll use the sad trombone for the using the same name, but it's in 2 different namespaces. And they're the same companies, Next Navigation and Next Router or whatever it was. I forgot already. All right, anyway, so we're good now. We get back to here. Now let's go back to the route here. I want to, oh wait, did I actually do the thing? No, I didn't. Or I did do the thing. Here we are. Yeah, I did. So it looks like because I changed the scopes, now what I get is the right thing. I only get this one thing. So I want to save this. For now, I'm going to just save it in my profile, but in reality, there needs to be something above that. Or, yeah, there needs to be something above that. I need some idea of an organization where a certain person is an owner or an admin on that org and they can make changes on behalf of that org. And they would need to have the privileges to do this thing, to add this token into that table. And then so long as I know what org a profile belongs to, I can then follow up the chain, find that organization, grab the tokens for whatever I'm needing to do, and then do the thing. So for Slack, that's something where I think that would be org level. For GitHub, it depends on what I'm trying to support. Oh, look at that. I got my message. Let's see. Are we ready for dinner? 7:15. All right, yeah, so dinner is at 7:15. Those of you who are here who made it to wherever we are now, y'all got stuff to say any things to add? Any I don't know. Let's do super base. We're gonna go to from. For now, I'm gonna just go to this profiles, and I want to do an update. And here's where things are gonna get interesting. I need to know who is this user, right? Like, who are they? There might be a way to figure that out too, I think. The only way to know is to know. So let's let's figure it out. We're gonna do this log into Slack again, but actually, you know what? No, I think I should be good. I think I should be able to get cookies, but I'm not gonna do it yet. But I think I should be able to grab some cookies. So we're gonna say, is there like a use headers or something like that? Wait a minute. Maybe the route will have it. Let's see. Let's see if the route just had, if that's in here anywhere in this request object. So I'm gonna do a request dot headers dot get, and then is it cookie? Actually, I don't know what the header would be, so we'll just say headers, and maybe we'll do a little bit of this action. Oops, get rid of that. Is there like a values? Is this an iterator? Yeah, it is. Dang it. So I can't just do this. I have to like iterate over it. So we'll do an iterator thing. Using the down, wait, what? I don't know what the fuck. Well, here, how about this? Let's see if I can just do this. We'll spread it out into an array. Can I do that? No, I can't. I can't even do that. Interesting. I don't believe that. So we'll go to requests. Headers. And there should be a way to get all of these. I don't believe for an instant that there isn't. Oh, wow. Okay, look at that. Maybe, okay, look at that. Maybe I'm going to stand corrected. Oh, there's a for each. We could just do that. Okay, look at that. There's a for each here. So we'll just delete all of this other crap. And then we'll pass a function. We'll just write out whatever the hell's in it. We don't really care what it is. Oops. All right, cool. So now we'll hopefully get all the headers out, if there are any. Hopefully there are. And the reason why I'm waiting, I want this to recompile. So I did it, and now we should be able to get the thing. There we are, see? So now I should get back a bunch of headers, hopefully. How many renders did this thing do? God dang. But look at that, we got a cookie. So I should be able to figure out who this person is using the cookie. And it's literally cookie. So let's use it. All right, so we'll kind of like move this back down, and let's grab the cookie header. Const auth cookie, and that'll be equal to wait, what would this be equal to? Request header. Request headers. And we're gonna get, what are we getting? Cookie. that. Now I think I need to parse the cookie somehow, or maybe I don't. Maybe I don't need to do anything. Maybe I just be like, go to Supabase dot auth get user or something like that. Say auth user. Actually, this wants a jot. I don't know if that's a jot. Is there some with cookie? I don't know. I'm just gonna try it with the let's get user, see what happens. Maybe this auth cookie is actually a jot, maybe. Oh wait, oh I'm tripping. That should be get user. I don't know why I did that. Okay, so now we are going to potentially get a user. Probably not though. And I don't need to see all of this anymore. But I do want to see the cookie itself, so we'll log the cookie. All right, and let's throw a breakpoint right there, and let's try this again. All right, cool. So we should have a cookie, and this looks like it may be URL encoded still. Let's copy the value. Ah, look at that. It is URL encoded. So then this isn't going to work. We'll just move forward. All right, so it appears to work, but it didn't. This didn't work. So now that I understand that this is URL encoded, I need to un-URL encode it. So we'll say, wait, how do you URL encode and decode? I forgot. URL decode URL URI. Decode URI. Okay. Nah, that's actually maybe this will work. Maybe that'll work. Let's see. So we'll open up a new whatever these things are, and then clear all of that out. Let's start up Node right quick. And now I want to do, I want to take this as my input. So we'll say const val equals, dang it, man. Val. Const val is equal to that. All right, so we make sure we get val. All right, perfect. So let's see if I can do this decode URI, and what will that give me? Oh, that's literally what I want. Okay, so then I'll do that. And this is a query string. I wonder if I can, what else can I do? What if I turn this into a URL? Let's see if I can turn that into a new URL. So we'll say new, or let URL equals new URL, and then we'll pass in val. This should fail. Yeah, it does. Okay, that fails. All right, is there like a query? Oh yeah, all right, there's a query string. What is this? This is a function. Let's see what happens if I pass it val. Okay, it's not a function. Okay. So then let's have ChatGPT help here, or here. So I'll say the auth cookie is URL encoded, and with the form, let's see. This is key. Oh, actually, it's encoded with the URL form, encoded, and appears to be in query string format. And then I'll just say implement the functions needed to I'm looking at this right quick, so that I'm getting back a bunch of things. All right, so to get back the SB auth, need to get the SB auth value, which is an array. I don't know if that matters, to be honest, but let's take all of this and let's have GitHub Copilot do that. Taking a long time. I wonder if there is already a cookie parser here. Let's see, console, and say does Next.js provide a built-in cookie parser? Do I already have that? No, I don't. Okay, fine. I'll add it. So let's add a new dependency. We'll add cookies. Cookie parser. Which one is it? God dang it, I've already forgotten. Oh, it's cookie. Wait, which one is it? Is it cookie or is it cookie parser? I guess I'll do this cookie one. All right, yeah, that's the one I want. The other one, it seems to wait. Cookie parser. This doesn't say middleware. I thought it was middleware. Maybe it's not. Cookie parser, require cookie parser. Yeah, this seems to be more like middleware. All right, I don't think I want that one. So we're gonna use the one that I just got, and then I can import the cookie stuff here. Let's first stop the server. Don't do that. What am I using? Yarn or npm? I forgot. Yarn log. Is there a pnpm or npm? Okay, yeah, I was using yarn. All right, perfect. So we'll use yarn. All right, and now to do the cookie stuff. So it says here, wait, I could just do all this. So let's do most of this. We'll take the cookie, and then we got to parse a cookie. And I'll just take both of these. Oh, you know what? I did all this work. I should probably check to see what is even in this token. It may not be what I expect it to be. Oh no, it is. It's exactly what I think it is. All right, so we'll say our auth cookie is going to be whatever that is. But I don't know if this is always going to be the case. Or maybe I do. Maybe I got to look at my environment. Maybe I'm about to learn something new here. Let's see, next public. U, whatever that is, W, is that the same thing? U would, oh, that is, okay, I see how this is working now. So I will be able to figure out what that is. It is the next public superbase URL, but it's the base domain. I'm going to leave it hard coded for now, but I'll just say that this is, we'll say cookie name is the same as superbase URL. URL. All right, cool. So now I know that I can delete these comments here. Those are useless to me now. And then now that I have this auth cookie, now I should be able to pass this into the get user, I think. And this should be as a string, but it seems to not really matter. So then I can just say here, if not user. So now I'll know if I have a user after this point. So here, instead of logging that, I'll log the user. And then here, well, honestly, I don't want to do anything else, but yeah, I'll just return a 500 or something like that. Or technically this would be a 400. Gonna do a status. That'll be for my HTTP status code library. Not authorized. Or not auth. Yeah, okay, there we are. So yeah, we'll return this if there's no user this time. Could not find declaration file. Oh gosh. I don't know if I care, but let's do add dev or safe dev. And then we'll see if there's a types annotation thing for this cookie. Wait, missing list of packages to add. Wait, what? Is it just save? Missing list of packages to add to your project. I don't understand. Okay, that worked. All right, well, let's go and move it to the right place since that worked. Types here. Oh, wait, why are these in dependencies and not dev dependencies? Literally all of these should be dev dependencies, right? All these types. duplicate object. Okay, get rid of it then. All right, so let's just do this right here. We'll remove all my node modules. Uh-oh, that's not good. All right, so now we got all the packages again. TypeScript is done TypeScript stuff. And let's run this server now. Will it build? Yes, it built. Now will it compile? All right, that part seems to work just fine. Now let's come to here and I'm gonna throw a breakpoint on line that right there, and I'll remove this one. Let's log in Slack again. And so far I haven't stored any of these credentials, but in the future I need to store the credential. All right, so we're gonna get the auth cookie. All right, so, oh, look at that. The user comes back as null. Shit. Oh, whoa. This is my bad. This is auth token. Okay, this is my bad. This isn't gonna work. We'll save this, get the request done, and let's redo the request. Log in. Yeah, allow. Now we should get back me. Or not. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this should be a wait. My gosh. All right, that's a my bad. Yeah, that was a my bad kind of situation. Let's also just go ahead and write user for there. And then we'll do this again, and I think now it should work. I'm highly confident. All right, so we get back a user, hopefully. Or not. Yes. Yes. No. Damn it. Invalid jot. Unable. Okay. All right. Fine. I give up. All right. So that's going to be it for tonight. I give up. I can't do it. But I don't know. Maybe I'll come back tomorrow and work on this. Maybe not. If you enjoyed any part of this, please give a thumbs up, like, subscribe, all that. It all helps. But yeah, if you have questions, feel free to drop a comment. I'll look at them. I'll get 0 of them, so it's easy to look at. So yeah, if you have questions, drop them there. But I'm out. Peace.